the next term is elevation. We need to keep the injured area elevated. This limits blood flow and minimizes swelling. Keep the legs above the level of hips by putting the leg on a chair or pillow or stool. And in case of arm injuries, we need to use a sling. So the next term in the riser is your elevation. In case of elevation, we need to keep the injured area elevated, and this is because it limits the blood flow and minimizes swelling. We need to keep the legs above the level of hips by placing the leg on a chair, pillow or stool. In the case of arm injuries, we need to use a sling. The last is your referral. We need to refer a doctor. The doctor may request X-rays, ultrasounds or CT scans to help diagnose the injury and plan for treatment. In the first 48 hours after an injury, do not use treatments such as heat or hot rubs. Also, avoid moderate or intense activity and massage. So the last point is referral. We need to refer the injured person to a doctor. The doctor might request X-rays, ultrasounds or CT scans to help diagnose the injury and hence plan for treatment. It is also important to note that in the first 48 hours after an injury, we should not use treatments such as heat or hot rubs. Also avoid moderate or intense activity and massage. So in the case of sprains, we need to follow the term riser. So riser is rest, ice, compression, elevation and referral. So rest is the injured leg or hand needs to be kept at rest and thereby avoiding excess of bleeding or swelling. The next is we need to rub an ice pack to reduce the inflammation and thus reducing the swelling. The third is compression. It needs to be kept in support. And the next is your elevation. The injured area needs to be elevated, that is to limit the blood flow and minimizes swelling. The legs need to be kept above the level of hips by placing it on a stool, chair or pillow. And in case of arm injuries, it needs to be kept in a sling. And the last is your referral. We need to refer the person to a doctor. The doctor may request X-rays, ultrasounds or CT scans to help diagnose the injury and hence plan for treatment. It is also very important to note that in the first 48 hours of an injury, it is always good not to give any treatments like heat or hot rubs. And also we need to avoid moderate or intense activity and massage. So the riser term needs to be followed in the case of sprains.